That's timed, and timed beautifully. Walked into it.
Cross seam delivery, and that'll give him a bit of confidence now into his innings. At him, he was going at the bowler.
Oh, gets away with it. It's a pretty wild swing from Munsey on that occasion. Inside edge and away to the boundary for 4.
Full toss, hammered away. That's beautifully struck. Goodness me.
And he normally bowls very well in the power play, Hazy.
And again, he's hit that well. And that's one bounce, 4 runs, 3 in a row. Yeah, well, and he's got 4 more. I'll go the other side this time and hit it for 6. This is some exhibition right now from Munsey.
And now Lamache is under heaps of pressure.
Backing away, and he's gone straight for 6.
There it is, and it's gone all the way. It's gone to the neighbouring cricket match.
Like it had come off the back of the bat. No, the edge. The edge.
Just a gentle push for 50. It's a good half-century for George Munsey. Started off aggressively, went after Sandeep Lamichhane. Now he's just settling in for what looks like could be a big one. Yes, he does! That's big, and that's into the trees from George Munsey.
Again, it's that short side of the ground. If you're going to protect the side of the ground, protect the bigger side. Mark Munsey.
That's just perfect placement. He saw that little gap between square leg and mid-wicket, and he placed it to perfection. There's George Munsey.
Yeah, again, I mean, Munsey's played a terrific shot here. It's a slower ball. It's gone wide of off, so he's given him an opportunity to get in behind it.
Well, that's going to be lost again, so Yuvraj just might get his way. We'll get that one back. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Aaron. Yes, a massive breakthrough now for the Wolves. 2 6s.
Oh, that really was 3. That was almost 3 from the man who did 6 sixes and 6 balls in Durban in 2007. But that is a massive wicket.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.